inside the airport now, and I want to find a place for something to eat, for a dinner, something a small snack, and after that I will do my check-in. So we'll find where's the restaurant. The airport is not that much big. There are check-in counters up to A to K, and you can see here's the airport, and I can see there's one corner, there are some food corners there, some popular food corners, few restaurants. Let's go to that area. Poppies, Burger Kings, and there are some international brands. Okay, let's check something to eat there. Now I am in Turkey, Sabiha Gökçen Airport. I'm going to departure from this airport. So it's very easy to departure from this airport because first you need to check which counter you need to be checking, and after that, if you don't have a luggage, or if you have a luggage, there's a very easy way. So there's a check-in, self check-in here. You can see. If you go to the counter, press start and select your language. Then there is so many options are there. You need to, if you know the ticket number, end ticket number. Then just follow the instruction. Then you will then you need to scan your passport. Then you will take the your ticket like this. So easy. Then just you need to complete your booking and you can go on. So it's really easy. No need to stay on a queue like normally any check-in queue. You need to wait around 10 minutes to 15 minutes, but it's very fast. Within 1 minute you can do your self check-in. Okay, I did complete my self check-in and I want to go to the immigration, and after immigration I'll go to my next destination, that is Azerbaijan. Let's go. I just done my immigration and I'm going to the flight, and I want to find my terminal. And this is the inside of the duty-free area. It's a little bit bigger after the immigration. A nice place, but it's crowded here. Here I came for the waiting place until the flight is getting ready. And good thing is there is no any power outlet to charge the phone. So if you come after the immigration, there is no place. So please ensure your phone is fully charged, and or you need to have a power bank. Okay, I'm waiting. I have another 1 hour. I'm waiting for my flights. And good thing in this area, there's a washroom, toilets in every waiting area. That's a good part of this airport. Anyway, this airport is very small. There are no much facilities like Istanbul airport. Anyway, I am now flying to Azerbaijan. Goodbye. We'll meet at the Azerbaijan airport. Here I just arrived to Baku airport, Azerbaijan. Now I want to go to the immigration, and when I seal my passport, I need to take a taxi to go to the city center or the Baku center. And this is the Baku International Airport. Okay, here is the airport. This is the departure, and I came out from the airport. And when I show you the airport, you can see very nicely. We are in the departure. That's the ground floor, and the top floor is the departure area. So I mean the arrival, and the second floor for the restaurant. Very nice and very beautiful and very new airport. And from here just I'm going out from the airport and to take the taxi. Let's go out. Thank you. Here I came out and now I'm going to use Uber to take a taxi because it's normally Uber is very cheap. In app it says 5.3 manat from airport to my hotel. And I'll take the Uber and go to the city center from here. Here is the outside of the airport. It's 3:30 now in the morning. Okay, here is my room today. We'll go inside. Okay. There's the room, it's nice. Everything is perfect. They arrange everything for me. And let's go inside. The bathroom. Okay, here is the bathroom. Very good, clean, in-suite bathroom is there. And here is my place. Stay in Azerbaijan.